Integrating ActiveCampaign with ClickFunnels enhances your marketing automation by synchronizing lead data between the two platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into both accounts. Sign into your ActiveCampaign and ClickFunnels accounts. Access ActiveCampaign API settings. In ActiveCampaign, go to Settings, then click on Developer. Here, you will find your API URL and key. Copy these for use in ClickFunnels. Log into ClickFunnels. In ClickFunnels, navigate to Account Settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Integrate ActiveCampaign in ClickFunnels. Go to Integrations and click Add New Integration. Select ActiveCampaign from the list of available integrations. Enter API details. Paste the API URL and key from ActiveCampaign into the corresponding fields in ClickFunnels. Click Connect to establish the integration. Configure funnels and automations. Once integrated, you can set up automations in ClickFunnels that trigger actions in ActiveCampaign. For example, add context to specific lists or automations in ActiveCampaign when they complete a funnel step. Test the integration. Run tests to ensure that data flows correctly between ClickFunnels and ActiveCampaign. Verify that leads are added to the correct list and automation sequences.